Hey everyone, I'm just going to do a quick shampoo for you and I'll be right back once I get the water running and started. Easy it is. Desperate, or oily should I say, desperate for a wash. So we're going to go in with the Wella Nutri Enrich shampoo. This has got a geoberry in it. Smells lovely. Can't remember if I've tried this shampoo before or not. I'm going with the second shampoo. I'm going with the second shampoo because I feel the first time doesn't clean it properly, wash it properly. For conditioner, we're going to go in with the Goldwell Rich Repair Conditioner. I don't really like putting this on my root at all, on my scalp. Just like to pull this through the mid-lengths and ends. I see it in every video. This must be sitting and seeing it now. At least get the idea. I'll see you when I'm going to brush my hair. Hey everyone, you would have seen me shampoo my hair. I'm now going to put some products through it and just give it a wee brush and tie it back. I'm not doing anything special with it today, unfortunately. I have no plans to venture outdoors at the moment. You've probably seen me using these products before, but I'm going to give them another go to see how I get on with them. So this is what my hair's like before I even put anything through it, apart from a shampoo and conditioner. It's like nothing to it. So I'm going to use the viral Aussie Frizz Off 24 Anti-Frizz Leave-In Serum, right? So I'm not going to use as much as what I did the last time, because I felt like that was far too much. Just going to try that amount. And it does go. I do apologise, I cut out for some reason. So I'm just pulling this through the midlines and ends. I'm not putting any on my root because I didn't want my hair to go greasy. Now, I've got a towel here on my lap. Let's try brushing it with that and see how we get on. Still a wee bit matted, as I like to call it. Right, so let's go to the leave-in. We're going to try the Clara Leave-In Conditioner. I do apologise, I was filming through my tripod and it kept cutting out. So after using the Clara spray, it's going through, the brush is going through a bit better now. See, I've just brushed it and look at it. Shocking. I don't know if it's because the texture of my hair's changing, it's getting thicker. I'm losing massive amounts of it. Right, I'll be right back. Right, so I've just got a wee bubble on my wrist here. And all I'm going to do is just pop it back. A wee bubble, just to keep it out my road. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Give a video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care, everyone. I hope you're all good. Bye.